Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, we'll show you how to switch your public account on Instagram to private. So let's go. Instagram offers a user a feature to make their account and content visible to a limited number of people. If you want to share your content with only your followers, you should switch to private Instagram account. So a private account only shows post stories and follower list to people approved and added by the account owner. You can convert your public account or an Instagram business profile to a private one with a simple few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can log in into your account. Now you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here. If you see in here, there's no lock icon on my Instagram, my profile. It means my profile is still on public. So if you want to switch it to private, you can go to settings. You can tap on the upper right corner, three lines over here. Now you can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option account privacy. You can just tap on that. Now you can switch it to private by tap on the toggle in here. Switch to private account. If you switch your account to private, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And no one can reuse your content. All reels, posts, and stories that previously used for your content in future, such as remixes, screens, templates, and or sticker will be deleted. If you switch back to a public account within 24 hours, they will be restored. So now you have switched your account from public to private. Now you can see there's like lock icon in here. It means my account already switched to private. It's very simple, right? So that is how to switch your public Instagram to private. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep you updated about Got You Right channel. Thank you and see you.